Defining a namespace for a root class is optional, but it is generally considered best practice in software development. It provides organization, modularity, and prevents conflicts when multiple classes share the same name. Using a namespace ensures that the class is properly scoped and can be easily referenced in other files or projects. For small scripts or single-file programs, omitting a namespace is fine, but for real-world applications, it's best practice to use one. Using namespaces offers several benefits. It prevents naming conflicts and helps avoid clashes between class names from different libraries. It also organizes code by logically grouping related classes, making large projects easier to manage. Namespaces improve readability by clearly indicating where a class belongs within the project structure. They enhance reusability by allowing the same class names to be used in different parts of a project without conflict. Additionally, using namespaces follows C# best practices and aligns with conventions commonly followed in professional development.